Today we start with the modern periodic table and according to modern periodic table, I'm already told you that the element are arranged according to their atomic number, and we have 18 group and 7 period. You can check here, we have 18 groups are and the 7 periods here. So afterward, now we are taking the first group. First group, the element is the lithium, sodium, potassium, rhodium, cesium, francium, has atomic numbers respectively. They have a same approximately, they have a same chemical property, they are good reducing agent, unipositive, carries one positive charge after losing one electron, soft metal, reactive in nature, and impart color to flame, form hydrate, basic to form the basic oxide, react with water to form hydroxide. All these elements have one electron in their outermost shell. If I take the sodium is also one electron. If I take lithium, one electron in balance cell. Balance cell, what is a balance cell? Last cell of the electron in which electron is added, that is a valence shell. And the valence electron, the where the last electron is added in the valence cell, that is known as a valence electron. Okay, then what is periodicity? Periodicity means a property reappear regular interval in which a gradual variation, there is increase or decrease, that is known as a gradual variation. Regular interval is called periodicity. Like we can check here, they have a same configuration. If we are taking alkali metal, that is a group 1, contain one electron each element, whether it is lithium, sodium, potassium, etc. So what is the cause of periodicity reoccurrence of similar electronic configuration? Because they have same electron. What is the cause of periodicity? They all shows the same property because they have a one electron in their outermost shell. Okay, so now we have this is the period, we have a 7 period. In the first period we have a number of elements are 2, then 8, 18, 18, 32, so on, and the number of shells are there also present. They mention atomic number here. Then afterward, these are the element which are present, the hydrogen, helium, the 2 elements are there. Then 1 2 3 4 7 8 elements are there. Then 18 elements are there. Okay, so now we have to take a group 1. In the modern periodic table, 18 vertical column comprising group 1 to 8 and 0. So you can take the group either 1 to 8 according to Mendeleev periodic table, and simply you can take the 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is your choice, how, by which notation you want to represent it. Okay, so firstly, group 1 to 7 divided into sub group, thereby making total 18 groups. So element of subgroup A, so you can check here, element of subgroup A. Let me take a book. In the periodic table, you have to take a periodic table. You can check here. Look, 1A, 2A. These are the S block element. Okay, and on the other side, 3A, 4A, 5, 6A, 7A and 0 group. These are known as a up to 17 group. ठीक है ना? We can name the by 2 groups, either by modern periodic table, that is 3A, 4A, that is according to Mendeleev, and they above that they mention the according to modern periodic table. So these are element are known as a representative element. You can check here, representative element, S block element and P block element up to group 17. They are known as a representative element, and in between from group 3B to group 2B, these element are known as a transition element, and this is 0 group, last one, that is a noble gas, or also known as a group 18. and noble gas, they mention over there. Okay, then they have 8 electron in the outermost shell except helium, only helium. And then we have a period. In the period you can check here, in the first period we have how many element, 1 and 2. These are the two elements are here. So in the first period we have a shortest period and 2 element. Then we have 8 in the second period, we have 8, third same, similarly 8, then 18, so far 32. Right here this you can check there from the lanthanum one series we have to take up to this, then we have to go blue. Lanthanum, afterward we have to move here, then and lanthanum have from 55 to 86 these element, 55 to 86. Afterward, and these are total 32 elements. Then we have actinide series from 87, these are the element, and afterward 89, 90, all these element, and afterward these element. There are again 32 elements are here. This series is known as a actinide. Why we give the name as a actinide series? Because it start from actinide and it start from lanthanide. So this is how the lanthanide and actinide series occur in the periodic table. And actinide, most of the actinide are radioactive. These are the actinium, thorium, polonium, zirconium, neptunium, polonium. These are most probably these are the radioactive element. Okay, then afterward representative element, the group 1, 2 and the group in according to modern 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, these are known as a representative element. Group 1 is alkali metal, group 2 is a alkaline earth metal, this group 13 is boron, then carbon family, then nitrogen family. First element you can check here, oxygen family, then this is known as a halogen family. Okay, so these are the halogen or salt form. So these all are the known as a representative elements. Then we have a transition element. Transition element it start from group 3 to group 12. Group 3 to 12. So that is the transition element. And afterward inner transition elements also there, that is are known as a F block elements, D block, and you can check here, these are the F block elements. Actinide series, that is a F block elements. The 6th and 7th period of group 3, 6th and 7th period, 6th and 7th period are known as a inner transition. So you can check, these are the transition elements. Okay, transition elements, group all that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 12. Okay, these are the transition. And inner transition, this is the inner transition. This is a below table, that is the inner transition. Okay, then afterward we have inert gases, that is noble gases, I'm already told. Then we have a merit of modern periodic table. What is the merit of a modern periodic? It is based upon atomic number, I think everybody knows, which is an even fundamental property compared to atomic mass. We know that Mendeleev used to describe according to the on the basis of atomic mass, but the modern periodic table we take the property according to atomic number. Position of element table related to its electronic configuration, and the position of element related to electronic configuration. It shows the regular change in the property of element moving across the period. So there is a change in the property while we are moving period and group. Modern periodic table is easy to remember. तो next topic we discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.